All right, let's suss it out. See where we're at this morning. I like this level here. We've come in. If we break this level now in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to go up to this zone here for the level of resistance. This is a really nice zone as we've tapped in. We've respected it 3 or 4 times. We've respected it here, 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 and there. So I really like that level. Then the next level, I'll put that there now because I don't mind that level at all. I'm pretty happy with that. Depending what this candle does in the next 4 minutes, if it pushes up really quickly and crosses that level, then we'll look at this zone here, this zone over here. But I'm going to leave it at that for now. See what happens with this candle closure. Now, with the sell, it has created this new level here, but the reason why I'm thinking of going on off this level here is because we've got this imbalance. I'll zoom in a bit. So we've got that imbalance there, and we've come in, we've respected it, tapped it, we've broken through and closed above it. We've tapped it, broken through, closed above, tapped, broken through, closed above. So we haven't really broken through this level properly yet, but it is a strong level of support. So I'm thinking of going off that because if we go off this level here and then we come and tap that level again and don't break it, we're going to get faked out. So I'm going to look at going a little bit more conservative on that level there. Even though it is quite far away, it is what it is, man. I'd rather go off there. We do have this level here as well. It isn't a strong level, but we may be able to get a nice break from that. But we'll see what this candle does. For now, I'm going to set it up there for our level of support. Maybe a little bit lower like that, just in case we come in and fake out. And then all depending what this next candle does in the next 3 minutes, I'll decide whether I bring it up closer or not. But the buy position, I'm locking in there. So I'm going to lock that in now. Cool. So I've got that buy locked in. I'll just see what this candle wants to do in the next 2 minutes. Let me know if you need the stop loss. Hustle.
Yeah, give me a sec, man. Well, shit.
But yeah, I'll wait for this sell because if this candle keeps continuing up on the open, if this keeps continuing up, then I'll potentially look at bringing this sell position up to this level. Because if we do get a break past that level there, we should hopefully get a decent push. We should hopefully be able to at least hit a TP2 before we validate this level down here. So we'll see what happens, man. All depending how that candle closes. Where is it? What do we got? 1 more minute. Cool, cool. 30 seconds into the open. We'll suss it out. See what we do with this sell.
What's the stop loss on that buy,
On the
please?
buy, I've got it at 3303.31.
Yeah. Yep.
Cool. So if the next candle opens up and starts pushing up and respects this and doesn't break this level, I'm going to push this sell position to up there. So I'll put the sell position. Yeah, it's a little bit aggressive. It's a bit of an aggressive move, but I am hoping that if we do break it, we hopefully should catch at least a 1 or 2 before we respect any of these levels below.
Yeah. Are you putting that sell in?
1 second. Look, it's pretty aggressive. Yeah, I'm going to put it there. I'm going to go the aggressive move. 1 second. Let me just go a little bit lower, just in case it does respect it and surpass it slightly and then continue up. I'm going to go something like that. Cool. If you don't want to go the aggressive move, you can go the one below it, but I'm gonna take that entry. 3299.18. Just enter that now.
You got a stop loss on that?
Not yet. Hang on a sec. Oh, have we tapped that? I'll have to check to see if that got us. I don't know yet. 32199.18. Yeah, the stop loss on that. When you go 300.51. Oh, that got us. Damn it. Hang on, am I still in that? I didn't realise that's just tapped us in. Looks like it wants to fake us out though. No, I'm still in it, just. Hopefully it continues up. Looks like it's going to fake out though. All right, that's out. Cool. Fake out on the buy. Whatever is what it is. Hopefully we can make it up on this sell. I'm going to quickly finishing that off. 3299.18. Why is it not doing that? Anyway, bummer man. Bummer that just faked this out. If it continues up now, is what it is. It happens. Whatever. I'm not going to re-enter it. It does look like it wants to continue. TP1. Damn it. Damn. Doesn't matter. Just got us. Just got us. Bummer. That's right. Is what it is, man. It does look like it really wants to push now. But I'm not going to re-enter it. I'm not going to re-enter that. I'm just going to leave that. Is what it is. I'm going to leave that sell position open though. And hopefully we can get a decent push down after this move. But this does look like it wants to continue, man. We've broken this level here. We're respecting this level here now. If it breaks past that, if it closes above that level, then I would think that we'd get at least a TP4, I reckon. Bummer, man. Yeah, look at that. Came in, wicked this out, and then went up. Damn.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. This is what trading is. This is what it is, you know. Unfortunately, sometimes those things happen. Is what it is, dude. It's what it is.
Yeah, man. It's all good.
Yeah. All right, cool. If anyone's got any questions, man, we can go over some stuff. If not, we'll just leave it for today. Like I said, I took a loss on that. As you can see on the 1 minute. Come in, just entered us. Shame it got us there. Wicked us out and then continued up. So, is what it is. I'm going to leave this sell position open now. I'm going to set a TP2 on that. Hopefully we can, after this move, hopefully it can drop back down and we can at least secure some profits for the day. But we'll come back tomorrow and see how it went.
Sweet, man.
Cool. All
right. Hey, just a quick one, man.
Yeah. Yep.
Just with your TP 1 to 5 grid.
Yep.
Where do you get that tool from?
So if you go, so it's a Fibonacci tool, right? So if you go, let's have a look. It is fib retracement. So if you go to this level here, this one here, You click on that in trading view, you go to fib retracement, just put a start, just add it to your favorites. And then if you go into, on the Discord, we've got an area in the Discord where it says Fibonacci setup.
Okay.
And it's got all the numbers, all the numbers and everything, man, the exact setup that you need.
Oh, perfect. Cheers, man.
Cool. If you have any issues with it, just shoot me a message and I'll run you through it.
No worries. Cheers, man.
Cool. All right. Come back tomorrow, see how we went. I'm leaving that. Yeah, I'll leave that cell open, see how we go. It's a real shame that just wicked us out, but this is what trading is, man. It happens.
Wait.
Cool. All right, guys. See you tomorrow.
All right, guys. See you tomorrow morning.
See ya.
Good one.
Cheers, man.
Bye.
Thanks for that.
Unfortunately, that got us. But again, man, this is all about controlling your emotions because that's exactly what trading is. The worst thing you want to do is when you get faked out like that. So when you come down, get a quiet fake out and it keeps moving, is start revenge trading. A lot of people do that. When that happens, they start revenge trading. They'll up their lot sizes. They're like, oh, cool, I'm going to jump in and try and catch a bigger move. Me personally, I just let it be what it is. I got faked out. We missed a big move. Doesn't matter. We're in this for the long term, not the short term. So if you're in this for the long term, it doesn't matter what you make at the end of each day or even each week. It's more you want to be more focused on how you're looking at the end of the month or 3 months or 6 months or the end of 12 months. So is what it is. We come back tomorrow. I am going to leave this sell position open. If we do get a retracement off a level up here somewhere, what I'm hoping is that we potentially come down and hopefully can catch at least a TP2 on that. So I'll leave that open now and we'll come back tomorrow and do it all again.